you are a first-class offender. You had a parole eligibility date of 5/21/25. You have a good time date of 1/23/27 and a full term date of 1/22/32. You are serving a 10-year sentence for molestation of a juvenile. Does that sound correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gould, please tell us why you are in prison. What did you do? And why do you think we should release you today?
I was charged with molestation of a juvenile.
And what did you do?
I really don't know the full, I was never really told what I did. I tried to fight this in court and the lawyer dropped the ball on me.
Okay. So, you're saying you were innocent?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Well, tell me, why should we consider letting you out today? What kind of classes have you taken? What have you done while you've been in?
I've been a trustee for 3 years. I've taken money management. And that's the only classes they would allow me to take. I tried to take other classes. They said they wasn't available for me. I
All
tried
right.
to get a transfer, a geographic transfer to other facilities, and I was denied. Or I just wasn't told anything.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay, Mr. Gould, today speaking on your behalf, we have Lisa Gould, your wife.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Tell us what you want to say about your husband, please, ma'am.
Yes, sir. My name's Lisa Gould. I've been married to Robert since 1995. I'm sorry, is the airplane flying? He's a good man, a hard worker, provider. We've raised my daughter together. We have grandchildren together. I know he has some problems with his family. We never really dealt with him. His mother had died, and we asked his sister if we could see the will. And she told me on the phone that I'll get my daughter to make a statement against Robbie. I don't want to show you the will. It was COVID. We were supposed to get a jury. We didn't get a jury. Matter of fact, the court was closed after we went in because the lawyer we was with had COVID. So it shut the whole courthouse down. But Robbie's a good man. I've been with him since 1995. He's been with my daughter. He's been with my granddaughter, my grandson. He's never done anything to harm anybody. I'm not a liar. I'm shooting straight. If there was a problem or if I suspected something, I would say it. I'm asking for you to have mercy on him. We've been together for a very long time. And that's all I could say is I'm asking for mercy for my husband, Robert Gould.
Okay, thank you very much for that statement. Mr. Gould, your case has been assigned to Mr. Barra. Mr. Barra, would you lead us in questioning, please?
Yeah, I just have a question about, your wife just confused me a little bit more too. Did you plead guilty to this charge or did you have a jury trial on this charge?
They told me that they wasn't gonna have the jury because of COVID. And then they said that they were only gonna have 6 people come in as a jury. And the lawyer, he advised me to take a plead.
Gonna answer it.
Wanted to do that, but he insisted that I take this plead.
And you did, right? You pled guilty.
Yes, sir.
All right. That was my only question.
Do you have any questions, Mr. Tillis?
You say you didn't, well, from what I've read, you say you didn't do anything.
No, sir. This is a fight between me and my sister for years over my mom and dad's property. She insisted that I was not going to get anything And I said, that's not the way the law works. Even if you have a will, I'm still entitled to a partial of my dad's. And she said, you're not getting anything, and I can get my daughter to go up there and say anything. She was very good friends with this detective, Holly Harden, and she got Holly to say what she wanted to say. Now, my ex-wife came in and said, because the day that they said that this happened, I had babysitted my sister's daughter and my ex-wife's daughter. And my ex-wife's daughter went and testified, and so did my ex-wife, saying that this did not happen. Well, she left that out of the with her report when they went to the grand jury with it.
I see. How long have you been incarcerated?
I've been incarcerated for 3.5 years.
5 years. And your sister's older,
She's 1 year older than me.
so she's taking charge of everything.
Sir?
He's taking charge of everything, the property, the will, and all of
Yes,
that.
she has.
Okay, and you still haven't had any results from that?
No, sir. She's renting the house out for $1,500 a month, and she said, you're not getting anything. I got the will. I said, well, show me the will. She said, you want to see the will? Take me to court, and I got something in line for you. And that's when all this went down.
Okay, I have no more questions.
Okay, Mr. Gould, I think we're ready to vote. So, Mr. Barra, was your case, so you
Yes,
go
sir.
first.
Bottom line is you went to court and pled guilty, and I'm sure they explained to you what a guilty plea meant. So based on the information I'm looking at, I'm forced to deny this parole based on the age of the victim, the senseless nature of the crime, strong law enforcement opposition, and only served 3.5 years off of 10 for a sex crime, which is normally 85%.
Mr.
I concur with Mr. Barra.
Okay, and Mr. Gould, I'm gonna note that you need pre-release program and substance abuse. If you would do these programs, and we will move you to a facility that has them. If they don't, then you would knock a year off your sentence and you'd be pretty close to getting out. But I also think you need sex offender treatment. I see you denied it, but you did plead guilty, but my vote is also to deny. Good luck to you, sir. We're gonna close out at Plaquemines Parish at 10:34.
Should you have the opportunity for parole, if not even acknowledging your crime? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe for new videos every week. Until next time.